Welcome to 704 Highland Avenue, located in the desirable gardens of Westfield, convenient to downtown, schools, trains, and parks. Enjoy this beautiful tour. This stunning Mediterranean-style home was originally built in 1905, and in 2016, the current homeowners restored the property to perfection with all the modern amenities to create this masterpiece. Who wouldn't want to prepare a gourmet meal or host in this magnificent kitchen with a Wolf range with double ovens, 6 burners, grill and griddle, 2 sinks, 2 dishwashers, sub-zero refrigerator with separate dining area and built-in bar? The party will never end. This home offers a unique octagon-shaped family room with walls of windows and original restored wood-burning fireplace. Here is the formal dining room with wood-burning fireplace and plenty of space to relax and entertain family and friends. The second floor master suite is a true oasis with double walk-in custom closets, luxurious bath with radiant heat floors, dual vanities, oversized shower, and clawfoot tub, perfect for a relaxing bubble bath. Step outside onto the raised patio with all the amenities for entertaining. The outdoor kitchen has a refrigerator, ice maker, and grill, along with wood-burning fireplace, sure to keep you warm on those chilly nights. For a private showing, please call me, Rosalie Bensavenga. It would be my pleasure to take you on a tour of this magnificent home.